In this video, we're going to see how to perform a one-way analysis of variance, an analysis when we have 3 or more population means and we want to see if they differ significantly. I'm using the company's sample data set that's available in the sample data directory. In this data set, we're looking at the size of companies and the profits of those companies in order to see if companies of different sizes have different annual profits. To start this analysis, we're going to use analyze fit y by x, and we're going to cast these columns of interest into their appropriate roles. Profits here is our outcome variable, our y, and size of company is our x. Notice we can also enter this into a role by dragging it. I'm going to hit OK, and JMP will produce the standard output showing the observations for big, medium, and small-sized companies. For a statistical analysis, I'll go to the red triangle and select Means ANOVA, which will produce for us the standard one-way analysis of variance. Of particular interest will be our p-value, here indicating the probability greater than f, the f distribution, for these particular differences of means. Our p-value is less than the standard 0.05, so we can state that we have evidence that one of these means at least differs from one other. Now, this is not a very specific conclusion, so is often the case with one-way analysis of variance. We'll often perform multiple comparisons, comparing each mean to each other. If I go back to the red triangle and select Compare Means, you'll see we have several multiple comparison procedures. I'm going to select each pair, students t, which will produce for us the students t-test comparing each mean against each other. JMP also produces several representations of these comparisons to help you identify which means differ from which other. Under Connecting Letters report, means, or levels, not sharing a same letter are statistically significantly different. Here, big being different than small because neither shares a letter. A only exists for big, and B only exists for small. But notice medium here is indistinguishable statistically from big and small, as it shares a letter with each. Also, under our representation in the graphical output, you'll see if we select any particular mean, one of these other means is bolded and the other is not. This is indicating for us which means differ from which others. If I select medium, neither of the other two means are bolded. If I select big again, notice that small is.